So, have you ever wondered whether the juice we buy in supermarkets or malls are genuine juice or they're just chemicals? Come and let's try to brainstorm together. So, on today's episode, we'll be making this delicious apple juice at the comfort of our home, and the first step is definitely cleaning your apples very well. I did not have vinegar, but I substituted that to salt, okay, and wash them thoroughly. After that, you just cut into some sizable amounts, and then you just place them into your juicer. Guys, remember, we're not blending, but if you also have a blender, you can just blend and then you sieve. But for this case, I just wanted to have the apple juice as it is, okay. So here I've used some 2 apples, okay, and as you can see, like, the juice that you're going to get is not making sense. Like, like 2 apples, they go for almost $1, and the amount of juice that you can get with that $1 is not equivalent to this. So my question is it really apple juice that we take, or whatever juice that we take, or do we just take some chemicals? So if you're able to always blend or squeeze